Hello, citizens. El Frijolero is here to entertain you. Now, machine. Okay. So I have one subscriber. Like, what the fuck? This shit has got to change. I'm gonna have like 1 million subscribers by my birthday, August 31st. I'm gonna be 18, bitches. I'll be able to get out all the MILFs, all the cougars, and insert my into their if you know what I mean. Yeah. So much fun. But hello, Abby. Oh, it's Abby. Abby. In the video, Abby. Good video. It's like a video, Abby.
Filming a video.
Yes. Because I'm bored as fuck. So no, I'm not bored as if I was like, oh, I should do another video.
We're doing another video right now. Don't like this video.
Huh?
Don't like this video.
I mean, no one's gonna watch this shit.
Ignore this video.
Whoa. Like, my first video has like 0 views. But yeah, girls, hit me up. I should have put the link for my Facebook and Twitter and all that shit. But no.
Save yourselves the trouble and ignore him.
No.
I'm kidding.
Adios.